Someone called it the Silicon Valley of Finland. Bold. There's no valley, and for 4 months, no sun. Okay, Espoo, that means nothing to me. Otaniemi? Why do I know that word? Oh, that's the place. 1 square kilometer and half of its engineers. Population of Finland. 5.5 million. Population of engineers in Finland also seems like 5.5 million.
Welcome to Espoo, Finland, specifically Otaniemi. We're starting this tour right at our office, the Inapoli 2 building, part of the Technopolis Business Park. This area is known for its tech companies, but also as a major hub for education. You can find Aalto University here in Otaniemi, which was formed in 2010 by merging Finland's top schools of tech, business, art and design. It's named in the honor of Alvar Aalto, the architect and designer who actually planned much of this campus, which hints at the university's whole philosophy, tech meeting art. The area has plenty of interesting buildings and public art too. This building is called Dipoli and it has a sculpture called Käpy, meaning pinecone, which is a 7-meter acoustic kinetic sculpture from 1968. This translates to Tech Student Village. And yeah, that's a van converted into a sauna. Then we have our waterfront, of course. Here you can actually see the Keilaniemi area in the background. You might be familiar with that, who knows. And yeah, definitely quite a nice spot to take a walk on your lunch break. And because we're in Finland, obviously that is a sauna again. Finland is also known for trees and lakes. This is a pond, but you know. You can also find a community garden. Here's a test site by the university. They've got bees. You could say the area is buzzing. And if you actually step out of the green parts, you might see some pretty cool tech names around. So I guess to answer the question of where are we based, it is this entire ecosystem of old and new, and tech meets art and nature, and I think it's a very cool thing how it all coexists here. I think it's why we get such great ideas, and good ideas make good products, and good products make good companies. And yeah, I think you probably got the hang of it by now. Thanks for watching, or kiitos in Finnish.